Today I am going to tell you how MathMagic app designed using the MIT App Inventor. Let's start. In question 1 screen, one question and 4 options will be displayed on the screen. We can click on one answer. At the bottom, there will be a label to tell us whether the answer is correct. If we choose a correct option, the next question button will appear. Means clicking on it will take us to the next question. That is screen 2 or question 2. In this app, we have to create welcome screen and end screen as well. Open your browser and type MIT App Inventor. Click on MIT App Inventor. Click on Create Apps. Here we have to create new project. To create a new project, click on My Project, click on Start New Project, type the project name, I will type the name MathMagic. Don't use the space, you can use the underscore. And click on OK. Don't use the space. OK. Now we are adding the screen. Click on Add Screen. There is the by default name Screen 2. Change that name. Question 1 or Q1. Question 1 or Q1. Then click on OK. Add another screen and change the name. Screen naming question 2 or Q2. Then OK. This is the Q2 screen. You can check the screens here. So we have already created 3 screens. Screen 1, 1, 2, 3. Now another screen. Add one more screen. Name it as a end screen. End. Click on OK. Now we have already created 4 screens. Screen 1, Q1, Q2, end. This is the end screen. These are the steps to create the or add the screen. Now the time to design the screen. We have to select the screen one. Click on the label and drag to the viewer screen. To rename this label, click on rename and change the name Introduction. New name Introduction. Click on OK. Now click and drag the button and rename. That is Start Quiz. The name of the button is Start Quiz. Click on the rename. New name is Start. I will use Start only. OK. Under screen 1, we have the label, another button. We created the two components. One label, one button. To start the quiz, Start button and display the text label. Now go to the question 1. Now select layout and take the components vertical arrangement. It's under the layout. You can see it under the component. It's in the question 1. To change the properties of the vertical arrangement, to this fill parent, OK. Height and width, fill parent, OK. Means it fills the parent screen, main screen. In question 1, we have to design 4 options, 1 question, 1 label and 1 button. So, take one. First click on the user interface and take one label. This is our label 1. You can change the label size. I will take height, that is 25. Otherwise you can increase also. Under height, I want to do little big, so I will take the pixel 50, then click on OK. Now we can check that you can increase the size of the label. Next, You can rename also using clicking the rename button. No need to change the name, just take the button. That is question option 1. Button 1 is for option 1. Now click on the label, go to the properties. Under that text option is there. In that type the first question. Now I am typing, which is your nation? Now click on the button, go to the properties. Under text type nation name, that is India. This is the first option. Again I want to add second option. Click and drag another button, change the text, type another nation name, Pakistan. Take third button. For third option, go to the properties and click on the text and type another nation name, that is Nepal. Drag another button, fourth option, change the text. It's under the properties and type another nation name, United Kingdom. Now my correct answer is India, first option. Now add the next button and change the text. Next. Select the label and drag, change the text again, that is correct or incorrect label. Don't give the space. I am using here underscore. Take the space also, but I am using the underscore. Here you can change the text color also by selecting the property text color. You can change the background color of the question. You can change the button color using the background color option. I am using the yellow color for our button and pink color for the question, and label correct incorrect label green and yellow red color for the next button. Now I am making the vertical arrangement fill parent. and width also fill parent. Click on the button to select fill parent. OK. Click on the button 3, select fill parent. OK. Click on the next button under the property width fill parent. OK. Again repeat this section. Click on the label. And this is the next button, and again width, click on fill parent. OK. You can change the height also and make it center. Click on the fifth button, that is next. Click on fill parent. OK. Make it text alignment, select center and bold, and make the size of the question big using the font size 20, and make it the center using the text alignment. Which is your nation? Put the question mark. Give the space. If you want more space, you can press the space on text property. Here we have the components, 4 buttons, 2 labels, and 5th button is for next button. It is under the vertical arrangement. You can make the this is our first question 1 design screen. Question 1 screen. This is our question 1 screen. You can take now question 2 screen. As it is, you have to do. First take the layout, click on the layout, vertical arrangement, drag it, select the label, make it bold, select the color, font size 20, select the width, fill parent, OK. Text, second question, type the second question, which is your state. Put the question mark. Make it center under the center alignment. property. Next, drag the button. Click on the vertical alignment, or you can drag little up, like this also. Like this you have to put the button inside the vertical alignment. Four buttons, one label. Click on the vertical alignment and make the width fill parent. OK. Now put the label properly, and one more button, that is for next. Drag it and now design it. Color yellow, orange. Font size, font bold. Text we have to change. Width fill parent. OK. Text, first option answer. Type any state name. In first question I typed the option 1 is correct answer. Now I am doing the first option is wrong, Tamil Nadu. Now click on the second button and design it using the color, bold, font size 20, fill parent. OK. Change the state. Text. Karnataka or Kerala. Click on the third button. Again repeat the steps. Color, background color, font bold, font size 20. Width fill parent. OK. Text, name of the state. Now I am typing the correct option, Karnataka. Again click on the button 4. Repeat the steps. Color, bold, font size 20. You can change font type face also. Width fill parent. OK. Text, another state name. That is Uttar Pradesh. Now click on the label. Change the properties. Color, green, bold, 20 size. Fill parent. OK. Center, text alignment, text name, correct, incorrect. Click on the last button. background color red, bold, font size 20, width fill parent okay, text next, because we are using this button for next. To go to the next screen, names, I am doing the name next. Now I am changing the height of the question. %, of the parent size is too big, so I am changing that to 30%. Okay. Now do it center, it's there. Now my second screen is designed. I finished designing. Now go to the next screen. Check this one, first screen, and change the all properties what we did in second screen. Bold, 20 size, font, everything change that. Bold and font size 20. Click on the label, make it bold, font size 20. Click on the last button, next button, bold, font size 20. Now we finished. Go to the another screen, that is end screen. Now time to design the end screen. Click on the layout. Select vertical arrangement. Click on the width property, fill parent, OK. Click on the height, fill parent, OK. Click on the user interface. Click and drag the button. Click and drag another button. Change the properties of first button. Background color, any color you take. Make it bold, font size 20. Height percentage 50 I will give. Width fill parent, OK. Text, change the text. Start, quiz I will give. Click on the second button, change the background color, make it bold, font size 30. Make both the buttons font size 30 and height percentage 50, percentage 50, OK. And click on width fill parent, OK. Change the text. Type end quiz. Now in our last screen we added two buttons. One is start quiz, another is end quiz. Now take the another screen, that is screen 1. Click on the button, change the color, background color, pink, any color you can give, font bold, font size 30, font type also you can change, height, percentage I will give 50, and width, fill parent, OK. You can also add the image. Click on the shape and take any shape. I selected oval. Now change the text of this button. Type that start quiz. This is our button to start the quiz in screen 1. And now click on the label. I give the name, introduction for the label, and button name is start. Change the background color, any color you can take. I'll take blue color, font size 30, and font type you can change, height 50%, OK, width, fill parent, OK. Then change the text. Choose correct answers, make it bold, make it center. Now our first screen is ready. This is our first screen. Button text is start quiz and label is choose correct answers. We finished the designing. Now our time to now click on the screen 1. We are in blocks. This is our designer, screen 1 design. One label, one button. Go click on the blocks. Select the button. The name is start. Select the first block when start dot click. When we click on the start button, take the control and select open another screen. When we click on the start button, it will open the another screen. That screen name is question 1. This is our design of the screen 1 blocks. Next, click on the question 1 screen. In designer, first button is right answer. In first button we have the right answer and other 3 are wrong. Click on the blocks, click on the first button that contains right answer, select when button 1 click. When we click on that, the label 2 that contains correct and incorrect, set that. What we have to set in that label 2, we have to set text. That is, I will take the empty string and type the text correct. Correct. And again I'll duplicate this one to make the color, change the color, background color, I will change to green. Here is the color option, take green. When answer is correct, display in green color. And when answer is correct, button 5 should display. So take the set of the button 5 and here button 5 set, button 5, here it should be visible. When make visible true, visibility should be true. This much we have to do for the correct answer. When we click on the correct answer, that is in button 1, it displays the text correct in the label 2, and in label 2 only it change the color green and button 5 is visible. Next, just I will take this one only. This one only I will take right click, duplicate to design the wrong 3 answers. Button second, and this should be incorrect, IN. Incorrect. When it tells the incorrect, change the color red, and no need of the visibility of the button 5, delete that. Okay. Button 1, button 2, again duplicate, take button 3, yes, that's also incorrect. No need to change anything, just change the button 3, right click and duplicate, again button 4, this much only, 1 is correct, 3 incorrect answer. To move next, this right click and delete. To move the next screen, I already told how to design that. Click on the button 5, take the block 1, control, click on the control and take the option open. Okay, when we click on this block, then it will active. Then we click on button 5, that is next button. It should be open screen is question 2. Now we are designing the question 1 and this is for to move the question 2. Okay. Same design we have to do in. Now click on the question 2. Click on the designer and check which option is correct. Option 3 is the correct answer. It's in button 3. First we have to design. Click on the button 3 and take 1 and click on the label 2 to incorrect and correct. Set. Select the set and change the text and take the text empty string and type here correct. Duplicate this one by right clicking and background color correct answer background color is green. Colors green, set that green. If you don't want any blocks, delete that by right clicking. Then to make the button 5, that is next button, click on button 5 and take the set to and make that one visible. To make the visible, select visible and this logic should be true. That's it for the button 3 design. Just right click and duplicate. And first button, 3 button, we have the correct answer in 3 button. And first button, now I am designing wrong, incorrect. Make it incorrect and do the color red and no need of this one, delete that. Where is the delete 2 blocks? Okay. Next again for the duplicate 1 2, next button is 2, that is also incorrect and red color. Again 4, duplicate button 4. Okay, this is also incorrect. 1 2 3 incorrect and button 3 is correct. Now to move the next screen, click on the button 5, when do block, then click on the button 5, control, click on the control and take the option open another screen. Click here, then click here and control open another screen like this. Now we are in Q2 screen. We have to go to the last screen next, so take the end. By default it is end, make it end only. Let it be. Okay. Now go to the end screen. End screen. Now we have to click on end screen. In end screen we have design start button and end quiz button. Click on the blocks. When we click on the first button, that is start button, take when do. To start again, click here and click on control. Open another screen. Open another screen. And start again. To start again we have to select screen 1. When we click on button 1, it start again, that is screen 1. Click on the button 2 to make the end of the quiz. Click on when do. To make the end, go click on the control and select end screen, end application, close application, close screen I will take. Okay, this much is the coding part. Let's check one by one. First screen, screen 1. This is the coding part of the screen 1. Screen 2, question 1. 4 questions, 4 option, 1 question, and moving to another screen. This is the coding. Next comes question 2, that is Q2 is our screen name. I'll click. Now we have to go end screen, so I selected end and 4 options. Last end screen, 2 buttons, one for start again and another for close the screen. To check the output, click on the connect and AI companion. Then you are getting the QR code. Take your mobile, type AI companion, continue without Wi-Fi, click on scan QR code, scan your QR code, it's connected. Now you will see the output. This is our end of the page. This is the first page. To start the quiz, click on start quiz. Second screen will appear, which is your nation question. If you select correct answer, then it shows the correct and changes the color green. Click on next. Next question comes. Check. Click on the incorrect answer. Then it shows the red color. When you click on the incorrect answer, it shows the red color. And if you click on correct answer, it shows the green color and text is correct. click on next. Then it moves to the next screen, that is the end of the screen. You can play again by clicking the start quiz, or you can end this screen clicking the end quiz. Thank you for watching.